Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you the cute cool stuff I bought from Korea and how it functions. Our first item is a cute chair socks. It contains 4 socks. Now let's see how it functions. Let's start opening this, unboxing. Okay. Oh. And here it is. It protects your floor from scratches. Now let's try this other one. Let's see how it works. This is the edge protector of your furnitures. Let's see how it works. I think this is This is a sponge holder for your dishes, and there's a hole in it, and there's also a little button where you can wrap it around your faucet and it can hold it. So this is the chopstick trainer. I'll show you how to use this, and maybe this is good for you and you can learn how to use the chopstick. Let's open it. First, you have to insert your fingers on both of these holes like this, and then hang your thumb right here and do it like that. Now you can pick your food with this chopstick. So the last one is an eyeglasses that you can use it over your phone or any electronic devices. This part over here has an upside down mirror that it can reflect on your devices. Let's try it. Now let's try it and see if we will not strain our neck while watching YouTube. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you're gonna watch more on my channel, what I've got from the other countries, and I'll see you next time.